In Covington, where weather conditions can be unpredictable and intense, protecting your home from the elements is crucial. One of the most effective ways to safeguard your property is through window replacement. Old, worn-out windows may not be able to withstand harsh weather conditions, leading to potential damage and discomfort. On the other hand, upgrading to high-quality replacement windows offers significant benefits in terms of weather protection, energy efficiency, and overall home security. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement in Covington can protect your home from weather damage, improve comfort, and save you money in the long run. Protection from the elements. One of the main reasons homeowners in Covington opt for window replacement is to protect their homes from the harsh effects of weather. With the region experiencing everything from heavy rain and windstorms to freezing temperatures and snow, your windows are exposed to the elements on a daily basis. If your windows are outdated or damaged, they may allow moisture, cold air, and wind to seep into your home. Weatherproofing your home. New windows are designed to provide a tight seal, keeping drafts and moisture at bay. This is especially important during Covington's cold winter months, where improperly sealed windows can let in cold air, increasing your heating costs and making your home uncomfortable. Similarly, during the hot and humid summer months, new windows can help keep cool air inside and prevent heat from entering, reducing the load on your air conditioning. Rain and wind resistance. High-quality replacement windows, such as impact-resistant windows, are ideal for protecting your home during stormy weather. These windows are specifically designed to withstand high winds, hail, and flying debris, making them a great option for homes in areas prone to extreme weather events. With storm-resistant windows, you can have peace of mind knowing that your windows will remain intact, even in the worst conditions. By installing weather-resistant replacement windows, you're not just enhancing your home's curb appeal, you're also ensuring it is better equipped to handle any weather-related challenges. Energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. Old windows are often a significant contributor to energy loss. If your windows are single-pane or have worn-out seals, they can let heated or cooled air escape, leading to higher utility bills. Window replacement in Covington is an effective way to boost energy efficiency and reduce your heating and cooling costs. Double or triple pane glass. Modern replacement windows are often equipped with double pane or triple pane glass that is filled with insulating gas. These windows help reduce heat transfer, ensuring that your home stays warm in the winter and cool in the summer without overworking your HVAC system. The result is more consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy consumption. Energy-efficient materials. Many replacement windows come with low-E coatings, low emissivity coatings, that reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter your home. These coatings help keep your home comfortable by preventing excess heat from entering or escaping. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can reduce your energy bills while also reducing your carbon footprint. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models means you'll not only improve your comfort but also save money on utilities in the long term. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading your windows doesn't just benefit you immediately, it can also improve your home's market value. Potential buyers often look for homes with updated features that reduce maintenance and lower energy costs. Window replacement can significantly enhance your home's appearance, both inside and out. Curb appeal. New windows can enhance your home's aesthetic appeal, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Whether you opt for casement windows, double-hung windows, or bay windows, the right choice can complement the architectural style of your home. New, clean windows improve your home's exterior appearance and give it a fresh, updated look that can increase its appeal to prospective buyers. Return on investment, ROI. Window replacement is one of the home improvement projects that typically offers the highest return on investment, ROI. Homebuyers are often willing to pay more for a home with modern, energy-efficient windows that will save them money in the long run. If you're considering selling your home in the future, replacing your windows is a smart choice that can increase your home's resale value. Improved comfort and noise reduction. And another advantage of window replacement is the improvement in comfort and noise reduction. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass, tend to be poor at insulating against both temperature changes and external noise. Temperature control. By replacing your old windows with insulated windows, you'll notice a more consistent and comfortable indoor temperature. New windows reduce the flow of air between the inside and outside of your home, meaning you'll stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer without having to rely on your HVAC system. Noise reduction. Many replacement windows are designed to block out external noise. If you live in a noisy area or near a busy street, upgrading to soundproof windows or windows with double or triple glazing can significantly reduce noise from traffic, pedestrians, or other outside disturbances. This improvement enhances your quality of life, allowing you to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Low maintenance and long-term durability. New windows are not only better at weatherproofing and energy efficiency but also require much less maintenance than older windows. Many replacement windows are made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials that are resistant to fading, rotting, and warping. Low maintenance. Unlike traditional wooden windows, which need regular painting and sealing, modern vinyl windows and fiberglass windows are virtually maintenance-free. They are designed to last for years without the need for frequent upkeep. Durable performance. Replacement windows are designed to withstand the test of time, offering long-lasting protection and performance. Whether you choose energy-efficient models or storm-resistant windows, you'll enjoy the benefits of a durable and weatherproof solution for many years. Conclusion. Window replacement in Covington offers numerous benefits, from protecting your home against the elements to improving energy efficiency and boosting curb appeal. Whether you're concerned about weatherproofing your home, reducing energy bills, or enhancing your home's aesthetic value, replacing old windows with modern, high-quality options is a wise investment. The right windows can offer long-term protection, comfort, and savings for your home, making it a valuable improvement for both you and future buyers. Don't wait until the weather damages your current windows. Consider upgrading today for improved security, comfort, and performance.